What's going on, family? Peace, love, and happiness. Spiritual Scott in the present moment with you, and you. How's it going, everybody? Sending out positive energy. Take it, and take it. How to quit smoking cigarettes. And how I quit smoking cigarettes. My journey. Why did I start in the first place? And how did I quit? Here we go. Woo! So for me, along my journey, I started smoking cigarettes when I started going to the bar. I turned 19. I used to see my mom smoking cigarettes all the time, and I said I'd never smoke cigarettes because what's the point? And then where did we end up? We ended up smoking cigarettes. Every Friday night, every Saturday night when we went to the bar, got super drunk, we'd puff on a smoke outside and it'd give you some super good feeling. It'd give you a head rush. Oh yay, so exciting. Even though I knew it was bad. I knew that it wasn't serving me, but I still did it. I continued to do it, which ended up leading me to do it every day. Start smoking maybe 5 cigarettes a day, 10 cigarettes a day. And then with the weed I was smoking poppers, which led to smoking a full pack a day, almost more than a pack. I started chain smoking while driving in like a 20-30 minute drive. I'd smoke half a pack of cigarettes. And it was slowly diminishing my health. It was making me weaker. It was making my teeth yellow, my hands yellow, and it was making it harder for me to breathe. So then I did that for about almost a year, 2 years. I was smoking cigarettes, and I knew I had to change. And after my spiritual awakening this year, I realized that that wasn't serving me. Smoking cigarettes was just literally killing me. And I know there's like 1,000 chemicals, 4,000 chemicals in cigarettes, some bullshit like that. And it wasn't serving me. It's not good for me mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. It calcifies your pineal gland, actually, some of the ingredients that are in cigarettes. And it's so addicting, and it's not worth it. So what did I do to quit smoking cigarettes? Well, I brought the awareness into the fact that it wasn't serving me. It was unhealthy for me. And just from bringing awareness into it, it makes it more potent that you want to quit smoking. So then you can take actions, set goals, take steps into quitting. And then I wouldn't recommend going all cold turkey because that's just going to make you super stressed, anxious. You need to do it, so you do it. So if you reduce the amount, say you're smoking 20 a day, reduce it to 15. Then the next week, reduce it to 10. Then reduce it to 5. And not only just reduce it for the fact of reducing it, change your identity. What do you look like if you're not a smoker? How do you present yourself? Well, you don't have to go outside. If you go to the restaurant every 15-20 minutes to go for a smoke, you don't have to go into your backyard or go out front to have a smoke. How would you look like if you weren't smoking? Simple as that. Visualize it. Meditate on it. Or replace going for a smoke with something else. So instead of going for a smoke, eat an apple. Eat a strawberry. Pop a strawberry instead of going for a smoke. Then bring more awareness into the fact that that's not you anymore. You quit. You're not doing that anymore. And then eventually, you'll wean yourself off with that action plan, as well as with the fact that it's not you. You change your identity so you're not a smoker anymore. Even if you're still smoking, you embody a whole new identity, a whole new parallel reality that's you that doesn't smoke. And then if you can quit, when you quit, eventually, you can utilize these techniques and practices in your everyday routine. So say you eat healthier, it's promoting you to eat healthier, or meditate instead of smoking. And then if you do relapse, that's okay. There's nothing wrong with relapsing. It's perfectly fine if you relapse. Just bring the awareness into the fact that, I relapsed. Because don't get down on yourself. Because if you get down on yourself, you'll just get in that lower vibration, like, oh, whatever, it's just another smoke, it's just another smoke, it's just another smoke. And then you'll just feel shittier and shittier about yourself. And we don't need that, right? Because we're going up. We're not going down. We're raising our vibration. We're becoming the best version of ourselves. I'm helping you help yourself. That's my mission. That's my goals here. That's my plan. To help as many people as I can help themselves become the best version of themselves. Utilizing what I've learned and experienced in my life to become the best version of myself. If you are on the journey to sobriety or quitting cigarettes or quitting an addiction? I would love to hear down below. Or if you want to message me privately, I'd love to hear that. So I can help you help yourself. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, click. And with that being said, my friends, I thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sending you all peace, love, and happiness. Spiritual Scott is out of here. Woo!